All right, guys, y'all look on the board. Which problems are we working on? Which one? 7 and 8. So work on 7 and 8, okay? 7 and 8. So we're working on real quick. All right, now look, I want you to notice what's different about this from your checkpoint yesterday. What is around all of those numbers that makes this different? Parentheses. So parentheses tells me I'm going to add everything, and the parentheses tells me I'm going to subtract everything. Does that make sense to everybody? Y'all okay? What you got, Ty? No. No. All right, what about number 7? What are you going to do first? What do you want to do? Add which ones? You want to add 5 and which one? Negative 8? Okay. So what's 5 plus negative 8? How much? Negative 3. Very good, okay? Guys, look, it doesn't matter the order right now, okay? We're going to cross one bridge at a time. As long as you have negative 3 somewhere. Anything else you see you can combine? Yeah. What's 2 plus negative 6? Negative 4m. Anything else? Just bring down the 4n. There you go. Very nice job. Very nice. All right, last one, number 8. Here we go. What do you see you can do? Yeah, that's right. 3g squared. All right, and we're going to subtract them, right? That gives me negative 5g squared. Very good. All right, anything else you see? Yeah? All right, what's 7 minus 4 go?
3.
What kind of 3?
G.
Positive. There you go. Positive 3g. All right, y'all okay?
Yes.
All right, let's keep going until they do announcements, okay? So look on the board. What are we going to do next from there?
Review.
Review our ACT from yesterday. So grab those real quick. All right, and so yesterday we talked about how we were not going to waste our time doing what first?
Reading the whole question.
Reading the whole thing. Where are we going to start?
Ask the question.
After the question, which said what?
What we had? Oh, one region had exactly 8 wait.
Yeah, that's right.
What types of music did those 8 students respond they had listened to during the previous week?
Okay, so where is the 8 responses? Oh, here we go. All right, we'll wait till announcements are over.
High school. We don't have any announcements.
Okay, so let's talk about announcements real quick, guys. Why did we not have an announcements this morning? Because where are they sending their announcements? Check your email, right? So make sure you check your email. All right, here we go. So it says 8 responses. Where is the only place you see an 8?
Between rap and rock.
Right here between rap and rock. So what's your answer?
E. Oh.
Yay. There's no E on there.
Oh,
Oh, you looking at the wrong thing? Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's look at number 5. Number 5. Couple of things you can do. Remember order of operations? What are they? Hem dice. You have to do them in order. Okay. So what can I do first?
Parentheses.
Which one? You want to do the 4 plus 2?
Yeah.
All right. What else could I also do? You could also do 2 minus 9, right? It's not in parentheses. It's in, what are those bars called?
Right. No,
Absolute value. So that means when I do 2 minus 9, which is negative 7, what is that negative 7 going to become? Positive. There you go. And what's 3 times 6? 18. So I did 4 plus 2, which is 6. And I'm multiplying. 2 times 7 is 14, right? And what's 14 minus 18? Negative 4. So look, it's okay to get a negative answer if you have absolute values. It's just whatever is inside those absolute values can't be negative. Are y'all okay? All right, we're going to get that good scholarship and get some good money to college, right? Mm-hmm. All right, last one, number 6. Where are we going to start? The question. What's the question say? Okay, now look, I know you can't use a ruler on the ACT. Y'all know that? You cannot use a ruler on the ACT? Are y'all okay? But what can you use that you are able? You can use the side of your calculator, right? So you can use the side of your calculator and kind of just see if you can draw a straight line. Does that make sense to everybody? Let's see if I can line it up right. This is going to be all jacked up, maybe. That's about right. And then we can do this one. Ooh, Lord have mercy. About, right? We can see it's about. About what point does that intersect? 1, 4, which is G. Food for thought. You ready? You see this answer down here, K? Cannot be determined. I went to a little workshop this summer about ACT, and they said almost every single time that is not your answer. They told me that almost every single time, like very, very, very rarely, is the answer cannot be determined. No, okay? You get that little food for thought in your head? How many juniors we got? We got a bunch of juniors in here? When you get to take the free ACT? You know, April. Yeah. April, you get to take the free ACT, right? So hopefully you're taking these little tidbits. And if you're a senior, hopefully you got one more time to take it. All those scholarships are due in December. So I take it one more time before December. All right, notes. What are we doing for notes today? Go. What page? 7 and 8. 7 and 8. But before we do that, direct your attention to the screen because I want to make sure that we have looked at our calendar and know what's coming up this week. What is a significant thing coming up this week? A quiz. What day? Thursday. And we need to do some reviewing because a lot of us have some issues with classifying numbers as real, rational, irrational, and all that good stuff. All right, y'all good? All right, page 7. Here we go. No, I haven't forgot about your homework. Don't worry. I know. Dang it. All right, all right, all right. Let's try to fly through this. You ready? All right. Evan, will you read me the directions, please?
Private algebraic expression to represent each term with expression.
Oh my gosh. What in the world does that mean? What am I going to do, guys? Huh? I'm going to write some numbers, right, Eamon? I'm going to take all those words, and I'm going to write some numbers. So let's look at this. Number 1. Zori, can you read me number 1, please, dear?
The difference between the product of 4 and a number squared and 6.
Okay, very first word that is very important. What is the very first word that is so important?
Difference.
What's difference mean? Go. Subtract. Boom, I just did that. What's the next word?
Product.
Between, right? Between means that two numbers are going to go on both sides. And then Zora, what's the next one?
Product.
What's product mean? Multiplication, right? So I'm about to multiply something. Y'all good to go so far? What two things am I going to multiply? And?
A number.
If I don't know something in math, what do I put, Ty? A variable. And what is that number? Squared. Well, what in the world goes on the other side of the subtract sign then? Oh, here we go. How could I write that all nice, neat, and pretty? Perfect. Whew, that was hard, wasn't it? That was horrible. Y'all with me this morning? Y'all okay? Y'all awake? It's Tuesday. We ready to rock and roll? Did y'all get some sleep last night? You didn't get any sleep last night? Why? I went to sleep early last night for once in my life. All right, let's see. Joseph, can you read me number 2, please, dear?
2 more than 4 times 15.
Okay, what's the very first word that's important?
2.
2, right? So we write the word 2, or the number 2. What's the next word that's so important?
More.
What's the word more mean? Add. Then what? 4 times the cube of a number. What in the world? X to the 3rd. And write it nice, neat, and pretty. I could say 2 plus 4x cubed, but I need to say in standard form would be 4x cubed plus cubed. There we go. Awesome, awesome. All right, here we go. Let's fly. Go. Number 3. 3 times. Ooh, hold on a minute. This one's different. 3 times the difference. What in the world does that mean? What's that tell me I'm going to use? Subtraction, right? But if it says 3 times the difference, that means I'm going to use what, Kaylee and Reagan? Parentheses. Look at y'all go. And then what goes in the middle of those parentheses? X for the number and 8. Very nice job, Reagan. Awesome, awesome. So that's 3 times the whole thing. All right, 14, here we go. 15 less. 15 less. So what's less mean? And where is the 15 going to go? It's important. On which side, Reagan? You are on fire today. Look at you go. Goes on the right side because it says 15 less, right? All right. Ooh, what in the world does that mean? That means what? Divide, right? So I'm going to have a little fraction right here. What's going to go on the top of the fraction? X cubed. Do I have to use X? I can use C, or I can use R for Reagan, or I can use K for Kaylee, or I can use T for Ty, right? It really doesn't matter. You can put whatever letter you want to. What goes on the bottom? Boom, I'm done. Oh my gosh, those 4 problems were horrible, right? Y'all okay? All right, here we go. Same thing, but now we're going to do it backwards. Got it good? Y'all okay? All right, so what did I say first? Well, before I say that, what do I say first? The difference. Do you see another problem that we did on 1 through 4 that had the difference that we could kind of cheat off of and use their sentence? Number 1, right? What number 1 say? So what can I put right here? Between what? Do we have a product?
Yes.
You see a product? No. There's no product, right? So we're not going to write product. But what can we write? The difference between what? A number squared. Good job, Evan. What can we say after a number squared? And 9. Very good. Please make sure you write out 9. Whoa, whoa. This one's different. This one's got an equal sign. Equals. There you go. And make sure you write the dash between 72, okay? That's how you write those numbers. And then put a period at the end. Are y'all okay? Okay, so let's skip 6 for right now for time's sake. What about number 7? Let's cheat a little bit. What kind of operations do you see on number 7, guys? Division and addition, right? Do you see another problem on 1 through 4 that we already did? Which one? 4, right? We could say 8 more, right? Okay, you want to say 8 more? So 8 more than. Then what could we say? The quotient of what? A number. Perfect. Equals how much? Negative 16. Okay, you see if you can try number 8. Do you see one that we already did that you can kind of cheat off of for number 8? Which one do you see you can kind of cheat off of?
Number 3.
Number 3, right? So kind of use number 3. Cheat a little bit. Use what you already know. Alright, what y'all start off saying? 6 times the difference. There you go. of what?
A number.
Uh-huh. Yeah, what else? Equals 14.
Would it be negative or not?
Is it negative? No, it's not. Never mind. Y'all good? Pretty easy, right? All right. Let's flip over on the back. Let's do page 8. Come on, let's go. Woo, Lord have mercy. Okay, first thing, you ready? Mark out number 4. We're now doing number 4. You're welcome. Oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, you got your calculators ready to go? Because you're going to need them for some of these, especially number 3. What do the directions tell me to do, Emma? The directions, though. Solve. What in the world does solve mean? Figure out what? What y is, right? Okay, here we go. What can I move first?
-8.
There you go. Opposite of -8 is +8. So I've got -6y is equal to what?
24.
24, yeah. And I got one more step to get y by itself. By?
-6.
Boom. What's y equal?
-4.
Oh my, oh, I just wrote -3. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, so you're on a quiz Thursday, right? And you're like, I don't know if that's right or not. How do you plug it in?
You put
There you go. All right, so I'm going to have -6 times 4, right? And then -8. What's it supposed to give me? Ooh,
You put
hold on.
negative.
I know. I put negative, didn't I? -8. There, it gives me 16. Y'all okay? You get it, got it good? All right, what about number 2? Go. What can I do?
You subtract 12.
I could subtract 12. Did I have to subtract 12? What else could I have done? You could have added 20, or what else could you have done? So you could have subtracted 5p, right? It doesn't matter. Y'all want to do 12 first? Is that okay? Sure. It doesn't matter. All right, so I got 5p equals 9p, and then what's -20 minus 12? -32. All right, I still got to like terms, and they on different sides of the equal sign. So if they're on different sides of the equal sign, I have to do the opposite. Which one do I need to move? Subtract the 9. Very good. All right, so I have 5 minus 9. What's 5 minus? -4. 9 minus 9 goes away. And what kind of 32 do I have right here? Negative. One more step. It would be +8. Very good. All right, so I'm on a test and I want to check my answer, right? What can I do? Plug it in. I got 5 times 8 plus 12, right? Give me 52. And this other side better give me 52, right? Look at that. Y'all okay? So my answer is right. Here we go. Let's go to the next one, number 3. Oh my gosh, it has decimals. But it's okay because you have a calculator, right? You got it ready to go? All right, here we go. What do you want to do first? Go. There you go. All right, so I got 0.5c plus, what's 0.5 times 2.8? How much? 1.4. What do I do with all the rest of this mumbo jumbo stuff? You just bring it down. All right, what you see? Which one? I just can't hear you. All right, before I do that, you see? There you go. Look on the same side right here. See this equal sign? Are they on the same side of that equal sign?
Yes.
So do I keep the signs or do I do opposite signs? You keep them. So you go type in 0.5 minus how much? 1. How much did it give you?
Negative.
There you go. What you got, Kobe? No, you can just put point. Just make sure that decimals, just make sure you can see it, though. That way you don't say -5 instead of -0.5, okay? All right, what else do you see? Which
3?
Okay. Is the 1.4 and the 0.3 on the same side of the equal sign or different sides?
Different.
So you're going to do the opposite, right? Well, you want to move this one? Okay. Let's move that one. If you move something different, it's okay. You'll get the same answer at the end. All right, what's 0.3 minus 1.4? Negative 1.2, so we're going to put minus 1.2.
1.1.
Is it 1.1?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry. That's what I get for trying to do things in my head. All right, what else do you see?
Subtract 0.5. Means 0.6.
Very good. I'm going to subtract this one over here. All right, so what's negative 0.5 minus 0.6? 1.1, is that right? All right, what kind of 1.1 I have right here? Negative. One more step. So what's my answer? Positive 1. There you go. Y'all okay? All right, take a minute. Try number 5 real quick. Y'all try number 5 real quick. Once you distribute, drop the parentheses. Once you distribute, don't write any more parentheses. All right, check that first step. All right, you finish 5, so you can see if you can go on to 6. You can do 6. All right, what am I going to combine on number 5?
Negative, you got the straight. -2.
Yeah,
Oh,
I did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Negative 10
yeah,
minus 12.
which is
Negative 22.
perfect. Anything else?
Negative 20 minus 15. Negative 35.
There you go. All right, let's see who I got. Colby, can you tell me what can I do from there? Right here. What else can I do? I do to get x by itself? Not the 22. There you go. All right, let's see. Emma, do you have your calculator with you? All right, what's 97 plus 35? 130, how much? 132, yep. And then, let's see. Andres, what would I do from there? Very good, very good. All right, let's see. Mario, what's 132 divided by negative 22? You got your calculator? Huh? Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, just use your phone real quick. 132 divided by negative 22. What you got? What kind of 6? Negative. Tell your friends thank you. Uh-huh. All right, number 6. What you see first that you can do? Multiply by 4, right? So I got x plus 3 equals. All right, one more step and I'm done. There you go. Minus 3. Perfect. Y'all okay? Pretty easy stuff, right? It's just a review. All this is a review, guys. If this is not easy, we need to have a little talk, okay? Because we need to either have some extra tutoring, or something, okay? So if this is not easy, seriously, I'm not kidding, because this should be a review. So if it's not, please come talk to me. Please, 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 please come talk to me, okay? And we'll get some extra tutoring or something in there somewhere. Y'all okay? Am I lost? All right. Homework. Homework from last night. The only thing that I'm going to check, you ready? The only thing that I'm going to check is page 5. Where's that? Page 5 was 1 through 6, right? So go ahead and find that handy-dandy piece of paper. Make sure your name is on it. Make sure your name is on it. And turn it into the tray. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the next 15 minutes and you're going to get your checkpoint out of the tray and we're going to finish those. Ty, can you put that checkpoint to the side? And if you finish your checkpoint, then you get to work on your homework for tonight.
Okay, so I was so confused now. When I said the homework,
Yeah?
I don't get at all.
You have to continue for 0, okay? Because that's the part that you missed on Friday that we went over. Okay?
And then, so I got all of these.
Yeah? This one you can use your calculator for. How do you put in 1/5 in your calculator? And then you're going to times it by which one? Okay? And then you'll get an answer.
And then,
We did 1, 2, 4, and 6. But I'm not checking those. But you need to know how to do them. The only ones that I'm going to check today. Finish that one real quick. Put it in the tray, okay? Have you got your checkpoint finished? As soon as it's finished, you can go.
is this page? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I have 1 and 2 because I watched the video back.
Yes, give me just a second. Yep, give me a second. All right, what's your homework for tonight if you're finished and you're working on your homework? What's your homework? Where'd you find that at? On the board, for one. And where else did you find it? On your calendar, right? Are y'all good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so if you finished, you should be working on your homework. Or you should be working on your checkpoint. One of the two, either homework or checkpoint. You're so smart. Y'all know that? Y'all don't know that?
Page 11.
Oh, you weren't here yesterday, was it? Alright, checkpoint is an open notes quiz. So you get to use your notes, but not your phone and not your name, okay? And then when you get finished, bring it to me, because you got to make 100 on it. Yes, I'm going to. 1 second. 1 second. Give me a second.